It is now or never. Take an action. 3 major natural resources we need in our life: water, air, and energy. Without them, there would be no life. Take an action to save them. Even if you think what you are doing are small changes, it could have a major and positive impact on our environment. As we all learned about the concept of green environment, it is now time to make this concept an action. Learn how to be environmental literate and how to keep your earth sustainable. While our dependence on energy is not likely to decrease, it will be important to make new researches for energy efficiency and conservation. We have to be literate enough so we could sustain energy. Technologies that promote sustainable energy include renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, geothermal, and hydropower. These sources of energy are available, affordable, and less harmful to the environment than conventional fossil fuels. And they differ from fossil fuels in that they can be refilled, and their use produces little greenhouse gases, if any. The mankind has to take action as well. They must reduce their daily use of energy, for example, turning off the lights, using fluorescent bulbs, turning off the TV when not needed, and not leaving your house lights on when not there. To be called water literate, you must first have the knowledge of where your water comes from and how your use of water affects the quantity and quality of it. After you reach this knowledge, it's up to you to put your words into action. Bringing water to you is not as easy as you may think. It's not just about delivering flow to the tap and toilet. Every item or object in your house required water to be created: food, clothes, furniture, and electronics. Human actions to make water sustainable are very easy. First, know where your water comes from and where it goes to know before you drink if the source is sustainable and how it must be treated. Then understand and minimize your water footprint. For example, don't leave tap waters open, or never pollute the water. Also save energy because this also saves water. Don't just be satisfied with what you have done. Encourage others to take action to protect water resources. When one thinks of the environment and sustainability, air quality is naturally considered because all living things depend on the air surrounding us. If mankind is to protect and preserve this natural resource, it must continue to address the problem of air pollution, which affects the atmosphere from the local to the global scale. Governments and industries can investigate cleaner ways of generating electricity without burning fossil fuels that pollute the air. Also, car emissions is a major source of air pollution, and the best way to reduce the pollution is to use cleaner fuel or electric cars and adopt more sustainable modes of transport like public transport, walking, and cycling. For the sake of air sustainability, why not stop smoking and try to plant a tree? Think environment, talk environment, change environment.